Stop by and take a look at the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.